Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Ever Best Arabic Advisor. Today in this video we will learn the verb walk in Arabic. The Arabic for walk is masha or mashi. We will learn the pronouns attached to mashi in present and past form. First we will learn the attached pronouns in Arabic. The attached pronoun in Arabic are represented by some letters. Letters are used to represent he, she, and the other pronouns. The first is ja. The letter ja stands for he. It means ja attached to a verb shows he. Ta is used to represent she. Hamza or a is used to represent I. Noon is used for we. Ta plus un, wow noon sound stands for you all, it means plural. Ta for you and un shows a plural form. Same is for ja and un. Ja stands for they and you un represent the plural form. Let's get start. Present tense al-mudari. Jamshi. Jamshi. He walks. The ya attached in the verb in the beginning in present tense shows it's a male. He walks. Tamshi, she walks. Ta in the beginning shows the she walks. Amshi, I walk. Yamshi, tamshi, amshi. Yamshi, tamshi, amshi. He walks, she walks, I walk. Namshi, we walk. Noon in the beginning of the verb shows it's a we. We walk. Namshi. Tamshuna, tamshuna, you plural walk. Ta for you all and una shows a plural form. Tamshuna, you walk. Yamshuna, they walk. Ya for they here and una shows the plural form. Tamshuna, you walk. Yamshuna, they walk. Past tense al-madi. In past tense it is masha, he walked. Masha, he walked. Mashat, she walked. Ta in the end in the past tense shows it for female. Mashat, she walked. Mashitu, mashitu, I walked. Masha, mashat, mashitu, he walked, she walked, I walked. Mashina, we walked. Mashina, the noon in the end shows for we. Mashina, we walked. Mashitum, tum in the end of the verb shows its past tense and in its plural form. Mashitum, you all walked. Mashau, mashau, wow alif in the end shows it's a plural form of they. Mashau, they walked. Mashina, mashitum, mashau, we walked. You walked, they walked. It's enough for today. See you in the next video with a new one. Assalamu alaikum. Don't forget to please like and subscribe my channel. Assalamu alaikum.